Hey everyone, welcome back to PPPDesigner. If you are a designer searching for high quality icons to elevate your project, you are in the right place. Today I am showcasing some of the best icon resources available online, each offering a unique style and utility. These sites have everything from minimalistic icons to detailed SVG that are perfect for digital projects. Let's jump right in and explore their incredible resources. The first resource on our list is Fether Icon. This site offers a beautiful set of open source icons that are lightweight, minimalistic, and ideal for web and app interface. The icons are simple, line based, and can customize easily, allowing you to adjust stroke width, color, and size to fit any design style. Whether icons are excellent for perfect project work where a clean, uncluttered aesthetic is a key. Next up is We Love Icon Fonts. This website serves as a unique collection of icon font libraries, bringing together various icon styles in one place. If you are looking to incorporate icon fonts instead of SPGs, this site is incredibly useful as it simplifies access to multiple font-based icons. Using icon fonts can improve load time and maintain consistency, especially when you need scalable, customizable icon across various screen sizes. Our third pick is Oct Icons, the open source icon set created by GitHub. Oct Icons are well suited for tech related projects and any interface when you need clear, functional icons that align with a streamlined modern look. These icons are regularly updated to match GitHub style and functionality, and they offer a straightforward look with strong usability. Oct Icons works great in UIs that emphasize clarity and directness. Moving on, let's talk about bit size icons created by Dan Calmer. These icons are minimalistic and lightweight, focused on specialist and clarity with options to customize stroke, weight, color, and size. Bit size icons work well for projects or when you want your icons to complement the content rather than dominate it. The component and shape style of these icons are perfect for clean, efficient interface. Finally, we have SVG Icons by Spark, a versatile collection of SVG icons with a variety of style and themes. This site is particularly valuable if you are looking for a flexible icons that can be scalable and recolored and easily integrated into projects with variety of design aesthetics and assets. SVG Icons by Spark provides a diverse range of icons, making it go-to for designers seeking variety and versatility and customization as well. And that's a wrap on our top 5 icon resources that every designer should know. These websites are fantastic for finding icons that suits a wide range of design style, from minimalistic line icons to fully customizable SVG. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like. Please do subscribe and explore more design tips here on PPPDesigner. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.